Welcome to the top best. The best mom friend gift is probably one of the most heartwarming ways to show appreciation for the amazing women in our lives. Whether it's a thoughtful present for a birthday, a holiday, or just because, finding the perfect gift can be a delightful challenge. Today, we're diving into some fantastic mom friend gift ideas that are sure to bring a smile to her face and make her feel cherished. Number 5. BAGSMART Hanging Toiletry Bag, Large, Water-Resistant. This BAGSMART bag offers a large capacity, perfect for family trips. It features multiple compartments and pockets to keep everything organized. It's designed to fit all your toiletries. The bag has special design features like elastic straps and transparent sides. These allow you to easily access items and see what's inside. It makes everything convenient. It comes with a 360-degree swivel hook for easy hanging. The two-way zipper and carry handle add to its convenience. This makes it easy to use anywhere. Made from water-resistant polyester, this bag is built to last. The well-padded design protects your items. It's made with sturdy stitching and heavy-duty material. This bag is ideal for overnight stays, long journeys, or gym visits. It's easy to carry and perfect for any travel situation. It is a must-have travel companion. What we like. This toiletry bag offers ample space and organization, perfect for family trips. It's water-resistant, so if you're looking for a practical and stylish gift for a mom who loves to travel, this is a great choice. It's designed to keep everything organized and protected. What people say. It has held up and looks like new. The compartments make sense, bottles stay upright, no spills in my suitcase, and I love that I can hang it on a hook in the bathroom and instantly see all my things without rummaging around. The hanging hook feature is genuinely game-changing for cramped hotel bathrooms and small spaces. Number 4. Body Restore Shower Steamers 6-pack. These aromatherapy shower melts dissolve in your bathtub, releasing potent essential oils. They help you immerse yourself in deep relaxation with a refreshing citrus blend scent. This set lasts longer than standard shower tablets. It's ideal for those who want to feel rejuvenated the natural way, offering a luxurious spa experience. Melt away the day's stress with these relaxing shower bombs. They are great for anyone needing a moment of calm and are perfect for various occasions. Convenient and compact, these shower steamers are perfect for on-the-go relaxation. These travel-sized toiletries transform any shower into a luxurious spa experience. Spoil your loved ones with these shower steamers for any special occasion. They are the ultimate choice for spa gifts, relaxation, and stress relief. What we like. These shower steamers are designed to melt away stress with their relaxing citrus scent. If you're looking for a thoughtful gift to help a mom unwind after a long day, these are ideal. They're also perfect for travel, making them a great gift for the busy mom on the go. What people say. The scent fills the bathroom within seconds and turns an ordinary shower into a mini spa session. Each steamer lasts for one full shower, sometimes even longer if you keep it out of direct water, and they dissolve evenly without leaving a mess behind. They are a great addition to any shower. They are also helpful when congested and need to open things up. Number 3. TOPDesign Initial Canvas Beach Bag for Women. Looking for the perfect beach bag? This personalized tote is a stylish choice. It's designed for carrying all your essentials with ease. Make it yours with a custom initial. This bag is a great way to show off your unique style. It's a thoughtful gift for yourself or a loved one. Made from high-quality canvas, this bag is built to last. It's sturdy enough to handle everything you need for a day at the beach. You can count on it. With plenty of room, this bag can hold your towel, sunscreen, and more. It's designed to make your beach trips easy and enjoyable. It's the perfect size. This monogrammed tote bag makes a wonderful gift. It's a practical and personalized present that anyone would love. Give the gift of style and convenience. What we like. This personalized beach bag is perfect for the mom who loves the beach or pool. If you like a gift that's both practical and personalized, this tote bag is a great option. It's a stylish and functional gift that she can use all summer long. What people say. I recently purchased this for my best friend and she absolutely loved it. The quality is great and it looks exactly like the picture. It's the perfect gift for any occasion. Number 2. ArtPix 3D Crystal Photo, Personalized Christmas Gift. Looking for a unique Christmas gift? This is perfect for women, wives, and anyone who is hard to shop for. This custom gift is sure to be adored. This is expertly crafted with high-quality K9 crystal. The latest in subsurface laser engraving technology makes old photos look brand new. Our talented team is based in Chicago and is dedicated to delivering the highest quality products. They ensure your experience honors you and the memories you hold dear. Want to see your 3D image magically come to life? Turn the crystal and watch as an optical illusion makes the image look like it's moving. Get a free LED light base, a cleaning kit to keep it looking sharp, and wrapping paper for all your gift-giving needs, all included. What we like? This custom crystal photo is a unique and sentimental gift. If you are looking for a personalized keepsake to celebrate a special memory, this is a perfect choice. It's a beautiful way to display a cherished photo. What people say? The picture was clear and good quality. This order came out great too. The quality is superb and crystal clear. This came out beautifully, the picture cannot do it justice. This is the max size with the colored light stand included. It weighs about 15 pounds. Very high quality, incredibly clear image. The background removal was spot on. Not to mention how fast I got this order, the turnaround was only 2 days. Number 1. VAHDAM Blush Christmas Tea Gift Set. This exquisite gift set features 3 premium teas. It's perfect for delighting loved ones with a luxurious tea experience. The blush-colored packaging adds an elegant touch. The set includes cinnamon chai, Kashmiri kawa chai, and chocolate vanilla herbal tea. Each tea offers a unique and delightful flavor profile. You will enjoy the warm and inviting notes. These loose-leaf teas are sourced directly from India's finest plantations. They are packed within 24 to 72 hours of harvesting, ensuring freshness. This ensures an unparalleled aroma and taste. VAHDAM is a global brand serving millions across the world. They bring the finest teas under a sustainable label. The brand is known for its commitment to quality and ethical practices. VAHDAM's supply chain ensures the freshest tea and fair prices for farmers. They also support the education of tea growers' children. The brand cares for both people and the planet. VAHDAM is carbon and plastic neutral, supporting sustainability initiatives. They measure and offset their environmental footprint in India. This is a gift you can feel good about giving. What we like? This tea gift set offers a selection of premium teas in an elegant package. If you like to give a gift that's both luxurious and comforting, this is a great choice. It's perfect for the tea-loving mom who enjoys a moment of relaxation. What people say? Each pyramid bag brews a rich, aromatic cup, and the variety keeps things exciting. There's something for every mood. The gift box looks elegant and high quality, making it feel special right from the start. The set includes 9 different chai and black teas, each with its own distinct flavor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.